Guys, I'm currently in the baby room and I'm just chilling in my PJs around about 8:30 at night time, and I thought that I would do the second part of the Baby Bunting haul. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got, and I don't have the receipt anymore. I'm trying to look for the receipt. It looks like I placed this order online, so the receipt's probably in my email somewhere, but my phone is charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave the prices on the screen as I did to my previous video. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I got. There's not that much to go. So the first thing that we have here is some wipes. This is the Baby Making Life Easier brand, and I just picked it up because I think it was on sale at the time. My good friends actually did tell me that, you know, you should stock up on a lot of wipes because you're going to go through them a lot, and I'm just testing out all different types of brands just to see what would work well. I do not like any of the ones with scent because I do find like scent and poop or pee or anything like that don't work well, because yeah, I know from babysitting my nieces and nephews and my little sister, it just doesn't work well. So I'm like more into like the unscented type of wipes and fragrance-free wipes. So yeah, I'm getting that, and this one's goat's milk one. So there's 3 packs of wipes in this bag here. Another set of wipes that I did get, this was recommended by Mary Grace, which is the Huggies fragrance-free wipes, and this one retails for, I think it was roughly around $14 or something like that in Baby Bunting, but they did have a sale at the time. I think it was around about $11 or something. So I picked up a box. But yeah, this is usually fairly cheap anyway, but I just thought I'd pick it up and to test it out as well, because yeah, it is fragrance free and you get a lot of wipes in here. So you get like 400 wipes in this pack, and yeah, you can never go wrong with wipes. Next we have some nursing pads, and these are disposable ones. So I think at the time I was just thinking of like what I was going to be putting in my hospital bag, or what kind of things I kind of needed, because I do have like, I was kind of like going off through like different checklists that I have found online of like what you need to what other things you need like to start up with and everything like that. And I didn't have any nursing pads at the time, so right now I have like reusable ones, but I just picked up these nursing pads from Rite Aid, and just looks like that, and there's 40 in this pack. So I'm going to pack some of these and probably put some in my hospital bag. So again, wanting to try out other things, I just picked up these Baby Disposable Change Mats just to go in the baby bag if ever we were going to go out or anything like that. Yeah, there's just has some disposable change mats in there, and there's 10 in this pack, and I thought I would just give it a go and see how it works. So we picked up that. So these are the other stuff that I got from Baby Bunting when I did the clip and collect order. It's still all nicely packed in here. And the first thing that we have here is the Swaddle Up Bamboo 1.0 Tog. So what I did was I just bought one of these. I think they had a sale online, because these things are usually pretty expensive, like these swaddles, and this was like one of the first swaddles that I got for her from Baby Bunting. But now I do have a fair few from my sister as well as Hanley. But yeah, these Love to Dream swaddles, they can retail from anything like 40 bucks onwards, like 40, 50, 60, $70 for a swaddle. And yeah, I thought I'd just get one for her to try. And yeah, like I said, now I have heaps more swaddles, swaddle bags from Hanley and my sister, so I'm just going to reuse those. I picked up some more singlets. This is just a 3-pack of singlets that I picked up, so you've seen this in my previous haul. Yeah, it's just $5, and just to put her, like, just to put underneath her like onesies and stuff like that. I thought I'd just get some singlets in a smaller size. So at the time as well, when I got these like these things, I didn't have any mittens or anything like that yet, so I picked up these no scratch mittens, just like this, just so she can have these. There's 2 pairs in there. It's like the safety first ones, and they're like white and pink scratch mittens, just so she would have some in her list, because like I said, I'm kind of going through like a little checklist, and now I have like so many mittens, so many, because of my sister. So yeah, that is that one. I was kind of checking off the list, was kind of like her little first aid, not first aid, well, first aid and kind of like a grooming kit. And I was just checking off like random things like on there, and I picked up this bottle medicine dispenser. I'm not sure if she'll ever use it or what, but I just picked it up because it was on sale and it was kind of cute, and I just wanted it to be in her little kit, so I've got that. And then this one is just the Safety First clear view tweezers and nail clippers. So yeah, it just looks like that. I do have one of those Tommy Tippy like care little kit thing that I'll show you guys in another video that I got from Amazon. So I'll do like a little Amazon haul and show you guys what I got. But that does have like a little grooming kit as well for her, so I've got that. But I thought I'd just pick up another pair of these, just another pair of nail clippers in case that one wasn't that great, or just yeah, to try this one out. So I picked that one up. And finally, the last thing that I picked up during that click and collect order was half price, and I really wanted it. Like, I kept seeing it, I wanted it. I probably don't really need it anyways, but I just wanted it in her room. And it was the Twist and Click bin by Tommy Tippy. So this was like, it usually retails for around $50 I think it is, or $60, but it was half price at the time that I got it. And I don't have the refills yet, like the refills are kind of expensive and they weren't on sale at the time. But yeah, I need to get the nappy disposable like refill 3-pack. I'm gonna wait for it, it's gonna go on sale, so I'll get that. And yeah, it's just a bin, so it's one of those little bin kind of things, and you have to put the cartridge in there, and then you put the nappy, and then each nappy kind of like twists, like kind of like twist the nappy like in this picture right here that I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, so each nappy kind of gets twisted like that, and it's meant to like stop any odors or anything like that oozing out and get rid of like the smell and everything. So that is my little bin that I'm going to be putting in her room. But yeah, like I said, it's probably not necessary, definitely probably not needed. You can probably just put it in like a normal bin, but I wanted one. I wanted a nice little cute bin in her room. This is the white one. They do have it in pink and blue as well, so those are the other colors that they have. And I just got it because it was half price, but yeah, I probably wouldn't have paid full price for this thing. But now I gotta wait for the cartridges to go half price. So that was everything that I got from Baby Bunting. Sorry if it's not as interesting. Yeah, my second and third trip, I was just mostly like going through the checklist and stuff like that of what I needed off the list. And I know that I did the click and collect order now is because I wanted that bin and it was half price. That is it for this haul. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, don't forget to give it a heart. Not for any reasons, my Instagram is private anyway, but I just want to know who watches. That's all. Or just say hi. Yeah, all right, thanks guys, bye.